Hey guys, it's Icyy. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm really excited. As you can see by the title, we're going to be doing my annual Icyy winter themed makeup tutorial. So every year, I actually don't know if I did one last year. Oops. I do like a winter inspired makeup tutorial, which I call Icyy. So it's basically just like a blue icy minty type makeup tutorial, and since it's actually snowing right now, it's the first snow of the year, which actually isn't that surprising because it's only like the 5th or something, but but since it's the first snow of the year, I decided what better way, what better day to do my annual Icyy makeup look than today. So if you guys want to see how I achieve my icy blue makeup look, then just keep on watching. So I already did my eyebrows off camera. Now I'm just going to prime my eyelids with the Rimmel London Multitasker Concealer. And I'm going to blend it out with my Ghost Face sponge. Okay, so now let's get started. So I think I'm going to be using 3 palettes. I know, I'm sorry. So I'm going to be using the Warrior 2 palette by Juvia's Place, the Allure 2 palette by Juvia's Place, and the Rebel Mints palette by Juvia's Place. Mint. It's mint. I feel like it sounded like I said mint, but it's mint. Whatever. Y'all know what I'm trying to say. Okay. I'm going to take Yacht It from the Juvia's Place palette on a fluffy Juvia's Place brush and just blend that into the crease and on the outer corner. And I'm going to take the Rebel Mints palette, and I'm going to take the lightest shade in that palette on a M440 brush. And I'm going to put that on the outer corner and into the crease. I'm going to take the BH Cosmetics tapered blending brush, and I'm going to mix the 2 matte shades in that palette and put that on my outer corner and into my crease. Please ignore the dryness around my nose. It is so dry. It's so dry. I think it's because it's so cold outside. So I'm gonna really prime with some hydrating primers and stuff. Now I'm gonna take the Allure 2 palette, and I'm gonna take the only matte shade in the palette, which is this dark blue shade, on a M433 brush and put that on the outer corner and blend it into the outer half of the crease. And I'm gonna cut my crease using the ABH Cream Contour Kit, and I'm gonna take this light shade right here and cut my crease with it. And I'm gonna be using a M124 brush. We're gonna set that crease with Zaz. And then we're going to take the M433 brush, and we're just going to blend out the cut crease so it's not just a sharp, harsh line. I'm going to take the lightest shade in the Mints palette and put that in my inner corner. And also in between where we blended those 2 shades at. Beautiful. Okay, we're gonna do a wing eyeliner with the LA Girl Gel Liner in the shade Jet Black. And I'm not gonna take it, you see how it's not on the inner part, because I want to keep that as bright as possible. Add some crystals on top of the cut crease. I feel like that would be super cute. Okay, so now I'm gonna go off camera and do my other eye. I might do my face and stuff, but I'll come back with you guys to do the under eye. Okay guys, so when I was off camera, I just did my other eye, and then I also did my foundation and stuff, which it looks so good. My new foundation routine is just fire. I might have to do a whole foundation routine with you guys, but Anyway, so now let's do the under eye. Basically, the only thing that I did was I took the second to darkest, okay, I'm just gonna show you guys. I took this shade in the mint palette. I'm just gonna pop that under my eye. I don't want to do too much on the under eye because the top is already so like beautiful and like loud. So I did that. I don't know what I want to do for lips. I feel like I might just, let's do a new lip. So I'm gonna take the Warrior 2 palette and I'm gonna take Walzana and I'm gonna line my lips with it. Sometimes I line my lips with eyeshadow. If you haven't tried it, definitely try it. I feel like it lasts a little bit longer, and if you don't have the color that you want, then obviously you can use eyeshadow and it just is like, do I look like cute? Like I feel like I look really cute. Anyways, yeah, so I'm not feeling it. No, I'm just gonna put on a gloss. So let me go put on some lashes and then I'll come back with you guys with the finished look. Look at my baby's haircut. Show me your haircut. Oh, he has no hair. They took all of his hair. He's smelling my lipstick. He's so cute though. Isn't he? Tell him he's cute in the comments or he'll feel self-conscious about his haircut. Okay guys, so this is the finished Icyy part, I actually don't know, makeup look. I think it's so pretty. I love it so much. Let me know what you guys think down below. I think it's so pretty. I always love doing these Icyy videos because sometimes I hate blue, sometimes I love blue, but every time I do the Icyy videos, it reminds me how much blue eyeshadow looks good on like brown eyes. So I definitely recommend doing a blue eyeshadow look. So yeah, if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Turn on my post notifications to be notified every time that I upload. If you want to keep up with me when I'm not posting on YouTube, you can follow me on all my other social medias. All that good stuff will be on the screen right here. It will also be in the description box down below. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you like me, if you like this video, if you like makeup, please subscribe because I'm trying to reach 500 subscribers by my birthday. My birthday is in April, so if you guys want to give me a nice little birthday gift, that would be amazing. If you're watching this video and you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that little subscribe button. I would love to have you join the family. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I truly hope I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.